Ramadan is almost over, and the last 10 nights have begun. One of these nights is better than 83 years of worship. The question is, will we recognize it? The last 10 days of Ramadan are the most precious nights of the entire year. This was the time when the Prophet Muhammad increased his worship the most. He would stay awake at night, wake up his family, and dedicate himself completely to Allah. These were not ordinary nights for him, and they should not be ordinary nights for us either. Allah tells us in the Qur'an, the night of decree is better than 1,000 months. And that is Laylatul Qadr. A single night better than 83 years of worship. Imagine praying just one night and receiving the reward of a lifetime. But here is the challenge. We do not know which night it is. That is why the believers strive in all 10 nights. During these nights increase prayer, dua, Qur'an recitation, dhikr, charity. Even small acts of worship during these nights can carry immense rewards. The Prophet Muhammad taught us a powerful dua to recite during these nights. Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa fu anni. Meaning, O Allah, you are most forgiving and love forgiveness, so forgive me. Think about this. Last Ramadan, many people were fasting with us. Today, they are no longer here. And one day, our names will also be remembered only in du'as. If Allah has allowed us to reach the last 10 days of Ramadan, it is a gift, a chance to be forgiven, a chance to change our destiny. So don't let these nights pass like ordinary nights. Pray a little longer, make sincere dua, seek forgiveness, because one of these nights could change your eternity. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.